Sebento, a freelance photographer and creative based in Cape Town. I spend half of my week at Elle Magazine South Africa as a creative assistant and in-house photographer. The other half of my week, I'm usually doing admin or shooting other freelance photography projects. I really love sharing my life through online platforms using my visuals, whether it be on Instagram or on my own personal blog. So I see the world in a specific way, and I like to portray that through the images that I capture. Being able to do so on an online platform and to be able to share my own images that tell a story is just one of the most amazing things. My aim really is for someone to see an image and think, oh wow, that looks like Nikita took that. Most of the photographic work that I do is usually fashion based. So it could be a fashion editorial or fashion lifestyle, just capturing anything to do with fashion and people. I'm currently using a DSLR for most of my serious professional photographic work. The other camera that I really enjoy using is the Canon mirrorless M3. I'm always taking photos no matter where I am, whether it's for a job or whether I'm just walking down the street. Like, I just love taking photographs. And what's amazing about the Canon M3, it does exactly what I'd wanted to do from a DSLR, but in a small compact version that just fits right into my bag, and I can pop it out whenever, and it's got great quality compared to like shooting with my cell phone. With my phone, I always shoot in squares so that I know exactly what I want in the frame, and you can do the exact same with this camera. The Canon M3 is a 24 megapixel camera, and what I love about it is the fact that I can change lenses. It comes with an 18-55mm lens, and I'm going to be using the camera and the lens this afternoon on a fashion shoot. My advice for other aspiring fashion photographers and bloggers out there would be to not be afraid and to actually just do it. And if you really want something, you yourself have to create what you want. Just trust your own instincts and just go for it. Okay, so I've just finished shooting with the Canon M3 mirrorless, and I have to say I'm genuinely impressed with the outcome. It actually did better than I even expected in this environment. I was able to change all my settings in manual. I could change my aperture, my shutter speed, my ISO, everything that I needed to get the picture to exactly the way I would have had it with my professional DSLR. And the outcome was really, really great. It was super easy to use. The focus was really quick. The lens worked out being amazing because I could switch between wide angles and then still zoom in and work with portrait, which is amazing, so I could have the best of both worlds with just one lens. In terms of the quality, it looks crystal clear and sharp, exactly what I wanted. It really impressed me in this environment that I worked with, so I'm really happy.